Yo, what is going on YouTube? This is Forever, and I'm gonna be bringing you guys an unboxing of an HDMI to VGA adapter. Basically, this is to change, like, let's say you have a monitor, for example, but your Xbox does not, your Xbox has an HDMI port, and you want to use HDMI, but your monitor doesn't have an HDMI port, just has a VGA or a DVI. Basically, you could go and buy one of these, hook up the HDMI to the Xbox, get another VGA, and hook that up to your monitor, and that'll work. So basically, that's what it's mainly for. I'm gonna be using this to hook up my Xbox to my monitor, so that'll be perfect. So let's get this unboxing started. Okay, so we basically have this, the HDMI to VGA out of the bag. If you guys want to purchase this, it's from HDE, www.shophde.com. So if you guys want to purchase that, but I bought it from Amazon for $10. It's actually really affordable. Over here, it's like a nice glossy type, so that's really cool. As you can see here, there's the VGA and the ports to screw it in. And over here, it came with a nice tip. Here's the HDMI. So that's really cool. Alright, so basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to hook up my Xbox to HDMI and connect it to my VGA monitor. Basically, you guys are going to have to purchase a VGA cable, basically, that has this type of end. So that's cool. So I'm set. Just need to hook this up to my Xbox and connect this to this and connect the other side to my monitor, and I'll be set. I'll hopefully be doing a how to connect it video, and I will do a review on it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a really short video, but you know, I want to basically make a video about anything that has to do with technology and all that. So yeah, this is Forever signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.